Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we are setting up a premium commercial audio solution from DSPPA, the DSP218 wall mount speaker and the DMA60U mixer amplifier. Whether you're setting this up for a cafe, an office, a school, or a retail shop, I'm going to show you exactly how to get them up and running. Let's get into it! First, let's look at the DMA60U amplifier. Out of the box, it feels compact yet highly durable. This is a 60-watt mixer amplifier designed for reliability. On the front, you have a built-in MP3 player supporting USB and SD cards, Bluetooth connectivity, and an FM tuner. Around the back, it features two microphone inputs, two auxiliary inputs. It's highly versatile for any small to medium commercial space. Next up is the DSP218 column speaker. This is an indoor-outdoor, waterproof, wall-mounted speaker that delivers exceptional vocal clarity. It operates on a 70V 100V system, meaning you can run multiple speakers over long distances without losing audio quality. The built-in transformer lets you select different power taps, depending on how loud you need the area to be now. Let's connect them together, because these are commercial audio units. We will be using the 100V constant voltage system, which is ideal for clean, long-distance wiring. Step 1, look at the back of the DMA60U amplifier. Locate the output terminal block. Strip your speaker wire. Connect the negative wire to the COM terminal and the positive wire to the 100V terminal. Make sure the screws are tightened securely. Step 2, bring the other end of the cable to the DSP218 speaker. Just like the amp, connect your negative wire to the COM, usually black wire, and your positive wire to the 100V colored input wire. Match your polarities correctly to ensure the speakers stay in phase. With everything securely wired, power on the DMA60U. I'll switch the mode to Bluetooth, pair up, and turn up the master volume. As you can see, the setup is incredibly simple, and the sound profile is perfectly optimized for clear background music and public. Address announcements. If this guide helped you out, please drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments what audio system you are installing next. See you in the next one.